Hi everyone!
Hey!
So today I'm gonna do my makeup routine on Lucas. He looks really excited.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, definitely.
I'm gonna start with primer. So this is my NYX. How did I do it? I'm gonna apply this.
This is amateur as fuck.
I'm gonna do his foundation. This is definitely not his shade. It's gonna be so dark for you. So this is the Tarte foundation. And I'm gonna apply it with a sponge.
Looks like fucking ranch dressing.
It's so dark.
Do it.
Okay, I'm gonna need more because you've got a big face.
As if I could be any uglier.
Okay, I'm just gonna dab it. I've never done this on anyone. Okay.
So you're gonna do like a smoky eye, or is it like a? I've heard, I don't even know anything else than a smoky eye, but
I know that's the only thing you've been saying.
I know, but like, isn't it like a pink thing that you do? It's like a
Yeah, I don't know what you would call it.
pink eye.
I'm gonna put some concealer on, and this is the Tarte concealer.
Yeah, nice head, right close.
It's just so low.
So
Okay, under your eye. How do you feel?
I don't know. I can't really see with the camera.
So dab it. Just dab it.
Fucking hell. I can tell there's a lot of people watching this video and be like, hey, is this her boyfriend or a gay best friend?
I don't know. Wait. It's my boyfriend. I'm gonna spray his face with the Mario Badescu thing.
Mario Badescu thing?
Yeah.
We're real pros, aren't
I'm
we?
gonna use the Mario Badescu facial spray. I'm gonna spray it all over his face. Does that smell good?
It smells like wet.
So I'm gonna try contour his face with the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D.
From where?
From Kat Von D.
The hell's that?
It's a brand.
Oh, okay. Some cheap ass shit from Cabra.
It's like $60.
For 60 bucks, damn. Why is it all so expensive though?
It's really expensive.
What's it made of?
I don't know.
It's paint.
I think it's vegan.
Oh, it's vegan? Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the lightest one, and can you like... Oh, your cheeks look a little white. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. He looks so bad right now.
It's just me regularly. Now I understand the frustration. I'm just sitting here.
Okay, I'm gonna set everything now.
What do you mean set?
I'm gonna set your face with powder. So I'm gonna take the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. So I'm gonna run this all over his face. That should do it. What do your eyebrows look like? They're good. Do you want me to brush through them?
Yeah, sure. I never usually brush them. Everyone says they're really nice.
They're so thick. It's so nice.
Nah, they look really like... Because I got a big ass forehead, it kind of like undermines them a little bit.
Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette.
Anastasia? Isn't it Anastasia? No, I'm pretty sure it's Anastasia.
Really?
From what I've heard, it's Anastasia. Leave a comment down below. Is it Anastasia or Anastasia? Oh, is that gonna focus?
Oh, there! Oh! So I'm just gonna take these two shades and put on the outer crease.
Outer crease?
Outer crease.
What, of my ass or my eyelid?
Both, alright? Stop! I'm gonna give you a black eye soon.
Whoa.
So I'm just gonna use Love Letter and just deepen the crease.
Deepen the crease.
Yes, queen.
Is-
That's alright. That's terrible, but it's alright.
God, I look like a 40-year-old woman. Tragic.
I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star palette.
Oh, you got Jeffree Star.
So I'm gonna take Deja Vu and Frosting, and I'm gonna put them on the lids. It's actually so good, the palette.
Yeah. I totally understand. I understand.
So I'm gonna take the Benefit bronzer.
What are you using for this one?
So I'm gonna take a brush and then spray it with the spray again. And then I'm gonna take the Anastasia.
Anastasia.
The Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna take Forever Young Sonia. Deal with it.
I can deal with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna highlight your nose.
Yeah, that's totally what I want highlighted. My big ass nose. And put something on my forehead as well.
Hey, you've got a great nose. Did you think so?
No.
Do you want eyeliner?
It's your choice. I'm not really gonna have a say.
So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Precise.
Didn't even tell me to close my eyes. I'm gonna spread.
Is that what Jeffree Star does?
I don't know if anyone fucking does this.
So I'm gonna take the Kylie thing.
Do it. I'm the best at this.
Yeah. I don't know what shade it is, but I think it's like Candy K or something.
I figured this is how they do it.
You look so stupid. Yes, work it.
Shut up.
Wait, do like. That is so funny.
Oh wow.
Oh, you got nice teeth, Lucas.
Hey. Thanks for fucking the laugh.
There you go. Okay, this time close your eyes.
In my mouth.
Close your eyes and your mouth.
I was too busy smiling.
Okay, that's good.
Am I pretty?
Yeah. That's so funny. Is it still there?
Yeah, look.
There's too much highlighter. My bad. It looks good on camera.
What do you mean? What about real life? Hey guys, so before our battery dies again, we just want to say thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe. Also click like the notifications thing. The little bell.
Yeah, the little bell.
Little bell. So we're new obviously. A little bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And yeah, make sure you leave us a like or comment as well on what you thought. Yeah, on what makeups we want to try next as well. What styles and stuff like that we should try. Maybe I should do her makeup.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know, but make sure you do that, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Yeah, have a good day guys. Bye.
Bye.